Hey, what's up, Safemoon holder? So what's going on, my millionaire brother? Today video is going very special for Safemoon holder because in this time you can see here in the previous current situation the very bad, my friend. All cryptocurrencies fails down, especially Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance. You can see here this is the top cryptocurrencies and they all are going very badly, fails down, my friend. All are very badly. So what's the current situation of Safemoon? This is very important for Safemoon holder. Let's see to what's going on in a Safemoon, my friend. Safemoon, I think absolutely also gone down. I think in those days every cryptocurrency have gone down, so absolutely Safemoon is also going down. I think Safemoon is also one of the fastest cryptocurrencies, but at this time every cryptocurrency's result as very badly falls down, my brother. So let's see to what's going on in the Safemoon. I open at this time the live price production. This is the live price production of Safemoon. Guys, please like this video and subscribe this channel, please, for latest news and updates, guys. This time if you can see here, the last 1 hour change occur and minus 0.6% going down, so this is very bad fells, my Safemoon brother. Please, if you invest and very large time, you can see here this time the price is absolutely decreased now, and the cause is that to all cryptocurrencies as badly goes down, people are starting selling. So exactly the main reason is that to people start selling. But if you can see here, my friend, this is the, you can see here, this is the resistance point. You can see here, after that you can see here they jump sometime and they fails down. You can see here this is the circle. You can see here, and after this you can see here they gone absolutely here, so they are gone very fastly up, my friends. Just wait for a good time. I hope they gone up. My prediction as to they gone up in upcoming days, absolutely. Let's check out the last 24-hour reason, my friend. The last 24-hour chart is absolutely very important for my brother, because this is very important to you. See here in the last previous 24-hour, you can see here they gone very fastly up. So congratulations, Safemoon holder, they are gone very fastly up. But this time you can see here they take a very small jump, a dump, but they take again jump. So this is, you can see here, the circulation method. You can see here this time, if you can see here, this is circulation. You can see here take jump and they fails down again and they again take jump. So I think they are in upcoming days absolutely fails down. So I think they fails down. You can see here in the last 1 hour absolutely fails down. So I think in upcoming days they fails down. If you sell it in this time, then absolutely you are right. But if you are not sell at this time, then exactly please wait for end of this month. I hope they start jumping again. They are start again in the morning, they are go off. So please wait, Safemoon holder, for a good time. This time I hope they are starting moving up in upcoming days. So please kindly hold it and wait for a good time. Thanks for watching, Safemoon holder. Please like and subscribe this channel. Please subscribe this channel for latest news and updates.